I recently noticed this orange fungus growing around the roots of my gooseberry plant. While it may look unsightly, apparently it doesn't cause any harm to your plants. However, if you still want to eliminate it from your soil, this video will provide a step-by-step process of getting rid of the fungus from your garden. Orange fungus thrives in wet environments, so if you have kept your plants in a place with low sunlight, fungi will not hesitate to take over. Steps to follow. 1. Inspect the fungus. 2. Remove with a shovel. 3. Improve soil drainage. 4. Improve air circulation. 5. Increase sunlight. And 6. Adjust your watering practice. It is best to identify first if it actually is a fungus. Once sure, you can simply try and remove it with a spade by taking the top 2 inches of soil. If you don't want to do this, you can try and ensure the soil drains well and isn't overly moist, as damp conditions promote fungal growth, and space the plants appropriately to improve airflow. You also have the option of moving the plant to improve the exposure to sunlight. Finally, try not to overwater, so water less frequently and only when necessary. Conclusion. Overall, orange fungi are not that harmful to your garden but can be unsightly. So if you want to remove it, follow the steps mentioned in the video to reduce the wet conditions that they thrive in. The conscious effort not to overwater and the warm summer we had seem to dry out the fungus and get rid of it. Bye for now.